This transmission was brought to me because it's stuck in gear. I'll show you right now what's going on. But we're gonna take it apart, try to find out what happened, see if we can fix it. Hopefully it's a quick fix. Take the counterweight off. This is gonna stop this rear housing from sliding out. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So these three rods need to be, they can move, you know, they can lock in different positions. They all need to be aligned. We're trying to find neutral here. And then this upper rod right here can go back or forward. Back, forward. We want it forward. We have those all together. Plastic's in there. Our counterweight is up against that collar. So now with this, hold it back. See that? All right. And nice and slow. Like that. Okay, now get a screwdriver. Put this here. All right. That's that. Alright, surface is all clean. Back with our ultra gray. Hole's pretty lined up.